Yo, what is up, y'all? It is Cake Flips. Today we've got the Jordan 4 Thunders. I'm just gonna unbox these. I copped these on a exclusive access that went out. Got super lucky with that. Took an L on the shock drop, so I'm assuming that's why I got exclusive access on these. But yeah, pretty clean pair. Pretty classic. Yeah, I think people are gonna be hyped for these. The resale has been dropping a little bit, but I'm hoping it'll go back up after the actual release. But yeah, it's kind of crazy that I got these early. This is probably like my best sneakers W so far on the sneakers app. But yeah, we got that pull tab. Open it up. Oh, not bad for that noise. That's terrible. All right. Oh, looks like I got this shit upside down. My bad. All right, we got that speckled print. I got these in a size 8.5 men's. That's just the size I could get, biggest size that was available. By the time I got to that exclusive access. But yeah, damn, I actually have never unboxed a pair of 4s before. But yeah, this box is looking a little different than what I've seen. It's pretty clean with the black speckled print and those yellow accents for the Thunders. That is nice. There we go. Got that Jordan 4 Retro Thunder, 8.5 men's, 10 women's. All right, let's get into it, guys. This is some heat right here. All right, and bam, we got that speckled paper, like that yellow tone on the inside. All right, you ready? You ready for this? Bam, the Jordan 4 Thunders. We got them. All right, these are looking clean. But first thing I'm actually noticing here is that these are kind of a little messed up right here. They've got some scuffs on them. Bro, I got these new straight from Nike. What the hell? The quality control has been terrible with Nike recently, but damn. They're looking clean, but I'm disappointed in that scuff right there. Got some other scuffs around here, but I've never seen a pair of these in person up until now, and they are looking clean. Got the upside down Air Jordan text. Those lace wings, these come already laced up, and I don't think they come with extra laces. Let me just double check in here. Yeah, no, but damn, they're clean. They're a clean pair. And we do got that black stitching on the toe box. I know people were worried that we'd be getting white because that was a leaked image, but that might have just been a sample or just some fake or something. But yeah, these are looking nice. I think I'm gonna be selling these when that impulsivity effect hits right after the actual release. That'll have a bump in price. So for all y'all who got them early on the shock drop or the exclusive access or whatever, I'd recommend selling then. If you hold, it may go up, but right now I'm not really at the capacity to hold. So I did actually buy another pair that's coming very soon. The Jordan 1 Spider-Verses, the Cross the Spider-Verses that just came out. They shock dropped, and I actually hit on those in a big kid size. So that's pretty cool. I've been getting a lot of 2 back-to-back sneakers app W's, which is kind of crazy. Got hella lucky with that, but yeah, these looking fresh. Hit me up if you want a size 8.5. I will also have some other content coming up soon that will be sneaker customization, because I am a sneaker customizer. Those videos just take a little longer to produce. But yeah, I customized a pair of Jordan 1s. They're looking clean. I'll publish that as soon as possible. But yeah, hit me up if you want customs or this pair of J's. They're looking fresh. I'm expecting to get like a solid $100 profit on these. Hopefully I can sell them for about $320-ish, maybe more. maybe last, probably last actually, but we'll see how these do. But yeah, I will definitely be making a profit with these, but just maybe not as much as expected. But yeah, got that yellow hit on the outsole, Jumpman on the bottom, Jumpman on the back, as close to possible as close as possible to the original release of these. Those wings are nice touch. You can customize your lace setup with that. Let's check out this back tab flick, because I know that's a thing on 4s. This is pretty solid. I think it's a little bit softer and more rubbery than 4s I've like seen before. I don't know. I don't have that much experience with 4s, so yeah, but these should be legit because they're from Nike. If not, Nike gotta get better at this shit, because that scuff is killing me right there. But yeah, got that air bubble clear all the way through. That's sick. Wish I could try these on, but I'm a size 12. These are 8.5. But yeah, these are sick. All right, good luck to y'all on the release. If you didn't get them, if you don't have them yet, good luck copping them on release day. I know Foot Locker has them loaded up. Got Sneakers app, probably all your usual foot sites. But yeah, good luck, y'all. Hope you enjoyed the review. Feel free to leave a like or maybe a comment too down below. Enable that notification bell, and please do subscribe. I will be churning out some more content, trying to pick up the channel with some customization, and I got those Jordan 1s coming in soon. Check them out. All right, peace, y'all.